Hello and welcome to this demo of WinDriver USB. WinDriver is a toolkit for developing custom drivers for any USB or PCI device. It is cross-platform, which means that a single driver codebase supports all desktop versions of Windows, Windows CE, and Linux. In this demo, you'll see how WinDriver generates a USB device driver within minutes and without requiring that you have any knowledge of the operating system. Generating code for a new driver begins with the New Host Driver Project button. WinDriver automatically detects all plug-and-play devices attached to the machine. The first step is to select the device for which the driver is intended. By clicking on the Generate INF File button, it is possible to see and modify the device's information and to choose to have WinDriver install the INF file automatically by checking the box at the bottom. Then you name the INF file. All the hardware's resources can now be accessed to make sure it's working properly before moving on to the code generation. Note that the information is hardware specific, so it's advisable to ensure that all the device data matches the hardware specifications. The USB interfaces appear in the left pane. Select the desired interface from the displayed list. You can now test your USB device's pipes. The driver wizard shows the pipes detected for the selected interface. Just select the desired pipe. In case of a control pipe, it is possible to select a standard USB request or define a custom one. Now let's look at an input pipe. Click Listen to Pipe. To stop reading, click Stop Listening. Resetting input and output pipes is done by pressing the Reset Pipe button for the selected pipe. After verifying that the device is working correctly, you move on to the code generation. WinDriver supports code generation for a wide range of development environments. We'll choose MS Developer Studio .NET 2008, for example. Next, you name the project and click Save. You will see a list of all the files created for the project. After the code has been compiled, you can continue communicating with the hardware in console mode. Note that the device has been identified and can be accessed using this diagnostic utility menu. The console application offers the same hardware access options as the GUI. So, for example, it's possible to listen to an input pipe by selecting option number 3. Now go ahead and exit the application. The driver code that has been generated demonstrates WinDriver API usage that can be used to implement the USB functionality. You now have a basic driver which can be used as a foundation for a new application or integrated into an existing one. The driver is WHQL ready and can be distributed royalty-free. Thank you for watching. Feel free to download a fully featured trial version of WinDriver from our website at jungo.com. If you have any questions, please contact our sales and support team.